Oh, hey. Sorry. Word on the street is that dude has some new parts for his Pro XP. And once I'm done building this birdhouse for my mom, we're gonna head on over there, check out what he bought, start installing shit. All right, we're live in the dude lair with his 2021 Pro XP Ultimate. Give you an update of where he's at on this. He's got the System 3 SP5 bead locks on there.
Yeah, dude.
He's got the Super ATV tinted roof.
Yeah, dude.
He's got them Kemimoto door hitters.
Yeah, dude.
He claims to have a blow-off valve on here.
It's there, dude.
And now for the adventure, he's got all this shit to install. Yikes. Alright, now we're gonna use this little screwdriver and tear this thing apart and start doing shit.
Yeah, right.
Alright, we got day 2 of working on the Dude Pro. Yesterday was mostly tear down, as you can see. We got quite a shit show of a mess here. Yesterday we mostly just planned out the wiring for the rock lights and the whips and ran those wires. He got the 6 pods for the rock lights. We got 2 up under here. And then there is 1 mounted here and up under here. Still got to run the rears. Then something we forgot to show yesterday. He also has the Super ATV seat risers. And then here's the RPM blow-off valve we were talking about yesterday.
That's great.
Alright, we're going to start installing the rear pods now. These here. That was our certified razor mechanic boring out the holes for his whip mounts. Take notes.
newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies.
Okay, so as you can see here, we already have the winch control box mounted up under the dash, and we were just running the positive negative cables through the center console, all that fun stuff. It's a pain in the ass, kind of boring to watch, but here's a few little shots of it, you know. As you can see here, our certified razor mechanic dude is starting to fish the power lines for the winch. All right, we're gonna start installing this guy here, Super ATV Black Ops 4500 winch. He's got the Pro XP mount plate for it. We're gonna take these little butters here, and we're gonna run it through the heat shrink and run this through the firewall. A quick note on the winch installation for Dude's machine. We got it done. It's all wired up, works great. The winch switch harness that comes with that Super ATV winch is designed for an ATV, something for like a handlebar mount. They make the harness with the rocker switch for these, but the shipping was delayed for whatever reason, not in stock, not too sure. But it should be here in a few days, so when he gets that in, all he has to do is put that in, and that's completely done. We got the heat shrink on the winch wires now. Now we just got to run them. Out of the box for the Pro XP, this thing is spooled backwards, so you gotta yank it all out and spool it from the top. And you also have to run the positive on the negative, negative on the positive for this thing to work correctly on this machine. If you made it this far, you get to see Dude's mosquito net. Pow. He sent me this picture this morning. He threw it in this morning. Not sure what brand it is. Maybe Kemimoto. Don't know. But it's just the little mosquito net. Thanks for watching.